Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to enter GR details for purchase transactions in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Enter GR Details Purchase module. In the Filter Invoices drop-down, you can choose the Blank GR Number option to filter purchase invoices where the GR number has not yet been entered. You can select the document type for which you want to enter GR details. Let's proceed by selecting the purchase bill. The software will filter and display only those purchase bills in which GR details have not yet been entered. Let's proceed with entering the GR details in these two bills numbered 500 and 501. Before doing so, let's first verify these bills. To verify, let's go to the Purchase Voucher module and check the same invoices. Let's open the bills one by one to review the GR details. As observed, GR details have not been entered for the bill. We have verified that the GR details have not been entered for both bills. Now, let's return to the GR entry window and proceed with entering the required details. Let's select these two bills and continue with the process. As you can see, the grid displays the list of selected bills for entering GR details. From this grid, you can directly update the required GR information against each bill in a single view, making the process faster and convenient. You can add any additional notes or comments in the remarks field as well. You can attach documents or any other relevant files for future reference. You can also attach images for visual reference related to the GR entry. After updating the required details, save the document. You can also take a print directly from this module with all the updated changes. For this, click on the Save Print option. As you can see in the print preview, the updated data has been successfully reflected in the first bill printout. After closing the first bill preview, the second purchase bill printout opens automatically, displaying all the updated changes. The GR details have been entered. Let's also verify them in the same purchase voucher. As you can see, the details have been successfully reflected here. This confirms that the GR information has been correctly updated.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.